Lost my place again. Man.
Does this happen to you? Are you often losing your place in books? Do you wish there was a way that you could keep track of what page you were on?
Yeah.
Well, we've got something for you. Bookmarks. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are making our own bookmarks. They're going to be fuzzy monster bookmarks, so extra fun. But before we check out what's in these kits today, thank you to everyone that keeps sending in their pictures and their videos. We have really loved seeing them and seeing what you're doing and making with the kits. If you want to share anything that you're making, go ahead and use the QR code right on the front of this kit, send it in to us, and we'll share it in a future video.
In our kits, we've got a piece of faux fuzzy fabric.
It's faux. Don't worry. It did not come from a real monster.
Yes. We've got 2 pieces of felt. We've got 2 googly eyes. And we've got 3 strips of double-sided tape that we'll be using. What else are we going to need?
Mine's shedding already.
Oh my gosh, it's molting.
For this project, you'll also need a pair of scissors, and that might be it.
Wow. All right. Cool. All right. So for our bookmark, we've got that long piece of fuzzy fabric there. This is going to be really the bookmark. We'll be folding it in half, or at least putting the 2 pieces together so that we've just got a shorter bookmark. This piece here will be stuck together with double-sided tape. We'll use the leftover double-sided tape to decorate our monster bookmark using the felt and the googly eyes, and we'll cut out shapes and make a face out of it any way that you want to do.
Mine really needed a little bit of grooming before I got started, so de-shed it if you need to.
Yeah. So our first step, we'll take 2 of those strips of double-sided tape, and what we'll do is we'll place them on one end, going down, side by side. Okay. We'll peel off that backer after it's stuck on, fold it over. That'll be our bookmark. Okay. You'll have 1 extra piece of double-sided tape. We'll keep that for our accessories. There we go. All right.
Mine is
Yours is like
unruly.
Yours is crazy.
Mine might need a trim at some point.
Yeah. All right.
So now that our bookmark is sort of constructed, we've got that fabric folded over on itself and it's secured, we're going to use our pieces of felt to cut out parts of the face for our monster bookmark. We have the googly eyes, so with this felt you can do something fun like some horns, some ears, a mouth, maybe a silly nose, whatever you want to put on there. So we'll cut out some shapes and get those ready. So now that we've got some felt pieces cut out, we've got a horn, a mouth, looks like Mike's got a mouth too. We're going to use that last piece of double-sided tape, just cut off some little pieces, use them to stick these to our monster, and watch them come to life.
Mm-hmm. All right. There we go. There, we've got it. Monster bookmarks.
We're ready to read. And then not read.
Crying out. I heard this helps me out. Let's see.
Oh, don't squish him.
Perfect.
Call today if you want this monster bookmark. But wait, there's more. Call today. In the next 30 minutes, we'll throw in a second monster bookmark.